So recently I have installed a game. I'm going to show you some of my subscribers asked if I can play games on this tab. Yes, I can. You can easily smoothly play games on this tab. So I installed a game here to show you the performance of the game. So one of the game I installed. I'll show you Airborne 9 Airborne 9 Legends. Okay, that also I'll show you by installing, but it takes a lot of space. So I have installed this one, CarX Highway. So I'll show it to you. This one by playing. So guys, this is the game. So I hope you can see CarX Highway. So this is the game. So I'll start the game now. Lot of car options are there. No, it is only works in landscape mode. Okay, this will only work in landscape mode. So I'll select the car. I'll select the car. Whichever car is available, I'll click on that. So this is the car I will select, and now I'll go back and start the campaign. So I'll play this one. Okay, I'll click on this one. Texas chapter 1. Okay, first one, duel, and start the race. So it's loading now. So as you can see, you can hear the sound now. So you can see how it's played. The performance is really smooth, you can say. Okay. So you can smoothly play. Don't think that if the resolution is high, the game is going to be slow. No, the graphics card, inbuilt graphics card is good, and I don't think Adreno GPU is there.